Hey guys, it's Charles here, and today we're going to look at how to make $4,500 every month using Amazon. Alright, let's roll the intro. Alright, so to start with, we're going to need to go on to Amazon Associates Program. So go to www.amazonassociates. Okay, and here it is. Now that we're on the Amazon Associates site, make sure you choose which country you're from. As you can see, this is available in a varying country, so you can pretty much do this wherever you are based in the world. You know, you can do it in Dubai, you can do Australia, Mexico, Brazil, Italy, you know, the United Kingdom where I am, United States. You know, you can do it wherever you want. Let's just get it back so we can read it and get it in English. And it is as simple as that. Literally, join now for free. As you can see, if we just go back, earn up to 12%. See, you can make bank using this. It is a fantastic way to make money. Now, as I said, you just join now for free. Sign in, create your Amazon account, blah, blah, blah. You just do all of this. Very simple to do. Get yourself signed up and away you go. Now that we've got that sorted, we go on to Amazon, and as you can see here on the far left hand side, when we click the arrow just here on all, there is literally thousands of products we can choose from. If we just click home and kitchen, click search, we can see all kinds of home appliances, bathrooms, indoor lighting, cleaning supplies, oven trays, felt tip pens, all sorts of things. You know, you can literally choose whatever you want to sell, essentially. It is that simple. Let's just click on shoes and bags, search again. There's all these kinds of different items on there which are selling. You know, this bag here is £60. This bag's £14, whatever. You're gonna make between 5 to 10% every single time you make a sale on here. So it is very, very simple. Now we're gonna get to the great free stuff. So how you're gonna do this is you're gonna create your own YouTube channel and you're gonna promote these products. Simple. Like this guy here. He is testing his Zippo axe saw.
Hey, all done. For today's video, we're going to put to the
He's bought the product.
Zippo axe. I bet you never even heard of this thing.
He's bought the product. He's showing you the product. It's a 6-minute long video. I think he's going to go in and show us how it's used, etc, etc, etc. Not only as we
like butter.
see here, we can see it's used for lots of different things. Now, the great thing that he's done is, as you can see here, he's put in his Amazon link. Now, let's just do some quick maths for you. He's got 1.2 million views to this video. That's impressive. I mean, he is gonna make sales because this is a niche product that people are wanting to see. He's gonna make sales. So let's just do some maths for you. So we have a Zippo axe saw here. If we click on his Amazon link, and well, this is no good, is it? Alright, well we can see here it's selling for $30. Okay? So $30 per sale. He's going to get, let's just go bottom end, 5% of that equals, let's use the calculator so you can show you my workings out. So we've got $30 divided by 100 times 5. Okay, he's making $1.50 every single time he gets a sale. Now he said there was 1,250,000 views. Okay, that's very impressive. 1.25 million views. Okay, so let's just say, for argument's sake, he has got a high retention base of people that are watching this video and are wanting the product. Bear in mind, this is a niche product, and you'd like to think a lot of the people watching this are gonna buy. So let's just go with 10% buy the product. So he's got 125,000 sales. 25,000 sales times the $1.5 commission is going to equal, let's just show you the maths, 125,000 times 1.5 equals $187,000 commission just from that one product. Okay, and let's not forget that people go onto Amazon and they buy all kinds of products along with the product that you're promoting. So this video has been online since the 26th of September, so give or take, it's been on there for 3 years, right? That is impressive. You know, he's making a lot of money. Right, so now going back onto this, with the product reviews, which you're going to do, you are going to create lots of product reviews on products from Amazon, and you're going to get sales. Now, not only can you do this, you can also do the unboxing of the product. Now, there are literally hundreds of people out here on YouTube creating videos unboxing. Let's just go to unboxing PS4, for example. Let it just load. And you can see there's videos here of people unboxing their PS4 as soon as it turns up. Now, look at this video here. It's getting 7.7 million views. Okay? They're probably going to put their link in there. There's another review. There's another review. There's other reviews. People are making money from their unboxing of their products that turn up, okay? People want that user experience of knowing how big the physical product is in someone's hands, against their body, etc., etc. This is a huge selling point for getting people to buy your product. Now, let's go into a bit of maths here, because as I said, we're going to make $4,500 a month. What you're going to do is you're going to do 30 product reviews in your month. Now, ideally, we're going to be looking at a 5% commission margin. So, to get that 5 commission percentage margin, we're going to be looking at a $100 item. So you're going to have to go do your review, your research on you're going to have to go and do your research on which products sell for $100. Okay, it's not difficult. You can choose cameras. We know we're going to get $5 per sale. So, we have 30 items for sale on our YouTube channel. So we've got 30 videos with product reviews, simple. And we're going to make $5 per sale. equals $150 per day. Now, as long as you're getting good traffic to your YouTube channel, there's no reason why you can't achieve one sale a day on each of your products, especially if you do the tags right, you get the right traffic, you've got a good subscriber base, you know, you're emailing people, etc., etc. You're working at this, you're gonna get the results. So let's times this by 30 days in a month times $150 per day equals our 4,500 a month target. And it's as simple as that. Like, how more simple do I need to explain to you that putting up reviews on YouTube of products is gonna make you money? Because people want to see what a product is like. As I've said in previous videos, there's not a question that you haven't already thought of that there isn't an answer to already on YouTube. For example, you're looking at like PlayStation games. Someone's already played the PlayStation game and you're stuck in a certain level. I'm sure other people have been stuck in that area. So what someone's done is they've made a video showing this and they've solved the problem. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to solve the problem of what people are wanting to know. So that pretty much draws up the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like and please subscribe as always. Give me a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I release more fantastic videos. Alright, I'll see you soon.